Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your blog feed to Feedly. So Feedly is a news congregator slash article congregator, which makes it super easy to read and digest the latest articles from your favorite websites and blogs. So this right here is an example of my feed on Feedly, where it just makes it super easy for me to read the titles, and then if I want to read it, I can save it for later. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually add your blog is that you're first going to go into this RSS icon and plus icon, and then from here you can search by topic, website, or RSS link. So I'm just going to take bleacherreport.com/NBA as an example, and then copy and paste it into here, and then click on enter. And then from here, you're going to see that it allows me to build an RSS feed. So if I click on build RSS feed, you need to tell Feedly which link is the title of these articles. So if we scroll down, we'll see that the titles are probably like new blockbuster trade ideas. It's going to take that same format. So if I click on here, it's going to take all the same formatted titles and use that as the titles of all these articles. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your blog feed to Feedly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.